Do you want to know how to connect your Eva with your smartphone? No problem, just watch this video. Hi, my name is Samuel and I'm from Stadler. Just follow these simple steps and you will easily connect your Eva with your mobile phone. First of all, you need to download the Smart Life, Smart Living app from the App or the Google Play Store. Once you have done this, please open the app and create an account and log in. In the next step, please make sure that your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are activated on your smartphone. Now plug in your Eva and check if the light is flashing. If not, you will need to press the night mode button for 5 seconds until the light starts flashing quickly. Now press the blue Add Device or plus button and Eva will appear on your app. Go to Add and then enter your Wi-Fi credentials. Once this is done, Eva will be connected to the app. You will see this with a green check mark. And now you can control your Eva humidifier from wherever you want. So that's it. I hope everything worked out. If you still have questions, just write them in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, just subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye bye.